Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and it's a beautiful day here in Florida, and I hope you're having an awesome day and week. On today's video, I will be showing you how to print out address labels. This is a step-by-step tutorial that applies to all who uses Microsoft Word, either on a Mac or Windows computer. Let's go ahead and get started. You're going to go to the Microsoft Word, open a new page. You get this window here. You're going to go under mailings. From here, then you're going to go to where it says start mail merge and choose labels. Since I already printed out my labels, it's already fixated on the label product that I've used. If you use a different product label, click this here. And these are the different label products out there. A lot of people like to use Avery. There it is. But I'm using Office Depot brand. Then you're going to choose the measurement and size of or number of your labels. To get it, it should be on top of the package that you purchased with. Okay? So since I got mine from Office Depot, it's on the bottom right hand corner. Under the little image that says number per sheet, it says item and then two numbers. Mine says inkjet address 612-221. For you guys, basically look at your package and choose the label product and then look for the number properly, okay? Then you're going to hit OK. Then you come to this screen. These are the labels. Proper size and number. Then you're going to select recipient and choose existing list. These are the address labels that was provided to you by email that you already have downloaded or saved it on your computer, either on a folder, on your desktop, or under documents. It doesn't matter where. You just choose it. I go to mine, which is leads. Alright guys, depending where you purchase your leads from and you get them by email, sometimes you'll get them untagged. What do I mean by untagged? I'm going to go ahead and show you what happens when your listing is not tagged properly. You get this pop-up. Don't worry about it, just hit OK. So now your address labels looks different. Your first box is empty and the rest of the labels are with the word next record. Do not worry. On the first box, you're going to be inserting the fields. What are the fields? The name, the address, the city, state, and zip code. That's what you enter there. Once you do that, you're able to record it onto the rest of your labels. Where do you do this? You go where it said insert field. You get this. The reason why you get this is because your leads were not properly tagged, and then you're going to go ahead and you have to go back and fix it. In other words, it's really simple. Do not panic. Again, it's a simple fix. What you need to do is go back to where you have downloaded your list. Alright? And I already downloaded, I'm sorry. Okay. These are the leads I received by email. What I mean when they're not properly tagged is because where it says number 1, there's a name and there's an address and there's a city and there's a state. Granted. But before that name, there should be the word that says name, address, city, state, and zip code. It's an easy fix, guys. You highlight the number 1, right click your mouse, insert column. See? Now you have a blank column. You go into the first box and write the word name. Second box, you write the word address. Third box, you write the word city, I'm sorry, city. Fourth box, the word state. And the fifth and last box, you're going to be writing the word zip code. And then you're going to hit save. You're going to exit out. Go back to this window right here. And you're going to go back to where it says select recipient. Use existing list. Go back to where your list was originally and has been updated. You just hit OK. So you're back here. Everything looks the same, right? Watch. Where you need to insert your fields, now you have name, address, city, state, and zip code. Now you can move forward. First, you're going to put your name. Enter to go to the second lane. You're going to put the word address. Enter. Then city. Put a comma and space. Then go back. Put state. Space. And then zip code. That's it. Now now that this box is done, how do you match the remaining labels? Very simple, guys. You hit this little button right here, update labels. All your labels look the same now. Now you're able to merge your list on your labels. But first you want to see what it looks like. Not a problem. Where it says preview results, you hit the word preview results again. Voila. Here are all your leads on address labels. Page by page by page. So now you're ready to print, right? Not a problem. You're gonna go here where it says finish and merge. I am stuttering. I'm very sorry. I haven't had my Wheaties today. I'm very sorry, guys. So you're going to hit this button where it says finish and merge. You get this little pop-up. I know a lot of you want to go ahead and print out. Before you do that, hit the button where it says edit individual document. You get a copy of your leads. So from here, you can go ahead and print, and then afterwards save it to your folder, so you don't have to go through the process of reprinting these leads again, so you can use in the future. All right, because you can actually recycle these leads and mail out other opportunity or products. You just keep them on the side. You just hit the button of print, and that's it, guys. You're able to print out your labels. Hopefully this video has helped out a lot of people with the question, how do you print out your labels? If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to message me on Facebook or on my Instagram page. I'll be glad to help you as best as possible. And I hope to see you on my next video, guys. Bye.